Now if we do not sort our lookup column in A to Z order, then we will not get desired result in box VLOOKUP. So this column should be sorted. So let's see what will happen if I just disturb this sorting. As you can see, after disturbing this marks column sorting or lookup column sorting, here we are getting fail in all the marks, which is not expected. So our lookup column should be sorted in A to Z or ascending order. Now I will bring this marks column in ascending order. As you can see, we got correct result. So it is very important to sort our lookup column A to Z or ascending order for approximate type of VLOOKUP. Now can we do this thing, giving grading using exact type of VLOOKUP? Yes, this can be done using approximate type of VLOOKUP, but our table should contain all the possible values like this. So we want to give grade using false or exact type of VLOOKUP, then we have to make table like this, all the possible values and its respective grades. Hence giving grade by using Excel type of VLOOKUP is not efficient as compared to approximate type of VLOOKUP. Now one of the advantage of approximate VLOOKUP is it can be used as substitute for simple or complex if formula or nested if formula. Okay, so here I have applied if formula for grade and it is giving same result as of VLOOKUP using approximate match. But if you see, this formula is pretty much complicated. This nested if is complicated. If we want to change our grading criteria, then we have to carefully evaluate all the Boolean logics. Okay, then make changes carefully. But while doing so, we can make error, or it is also time consuming and need careful evaluation of Boolean logic to get correct result. At the same time, we can change our lookup column easily to get the desired result without any hassle, unlike this if nested if formula. So let's change this criteria of fail from 0 to below 35 to 0 to 50. 0 to below 50 marks will be considered fail. Now as you can see here, 40 marks got fail grade. At the same time, we can also introduce as much as grading by changing this lookup table. Okay, we can also introduce A plus, A plus plus, B plus. Currently we have 4 types of grade, but we can also introduce as many as we want by simply changing this grade table. Okay, marks and grade table or lookup table. But in case of if we have to build more nested if formula, which will ultimately increase complexity and will become less manageable or prone to error. So this approximate VLOOKUP is very good and efficient substitute for nested if formula. Now instead of giving fail for 0 to below 50, we want to use word improve. So as you can see, these 2 marks getting fail, but after changing our fail to improve, we will get instant reflection in output. Here output will become improved. And also if we want to introduce fifth type of grade, that is C minus, then we can also do that. Just here insert row, and we want 0 to 35 improve. 0 to 35 we want improve, and 35 to below 50 we want C minus. As you can see here, for 40 we got C minus. We are getting instant reflection of this change grading criteria in our grading output formula. So this is pretty much flexible and scalable as compared to complex or nested if formula. approximate VLOOKUP is very good substitute for nested if formula with respect to scaling and efficiency and fastness. Thanks for watching. You can subscribe or like this video.